Hi, this is Hao Nhiên Vu again, your friendly neighborhood math center coordinator with another update on the math center. First, I'd like to show these data that I got from the Office of the Dean of Institutional Effectiveness. It shows 2 bars for every term from fall 2024 to the last completed term, which is summer 2025. And then the last 2 bars are for the grand total. In each term, the bar on the left, which is blue if you can tell colors, shows the success rate of students that are not enrolled in the Math Center. The bar on the right, which is orange, except for the grand total where it's dark red, is the success rate of students that are enrolled in the Math Center. These data show that the students enrolled in the Math Center have a higher success rate than students who don't. And the definition of success was determined by the Dean of Institutional Effectiveness. Now, one limitation of the data is that Dean Zentner's office ran the enroll numbers based on census date, but the Math Center isn't dependent on the census date. The Math Center is open entry, open exit, and it's non-credit asynchronous online. So it's subject to a different accounting rule according to this manual here, which is a book that's 142 pages thick. And according to a formula that's tucked inside one page of it, head counts for the Math Center for purposes of apportionment go something like this. First, they take the unduplicated number who participated academically between the first day and the 20% of term. That's the first period. They take the same number between 20% and 60% of term. That's the second period. They ignore everything after that. And then they take the average of these two numbers. That average is approximately the FTES for the Math Center. Notice that they ignore the last 40% of the term, which ironically includes final exam, final paper, final projects, and final exam not just for the full term or the late 8, but also for the middle 8. Anyway, according to that calculation, these are the results for the Math Center for this semester, spring 2025. 84 head counts unduplicated academic only for the first period, 111 for the second period, for an overall FTES of about 97.5. Now, one last set of data. The state doesn't pay us for the hours students spend in the Math Center, but the hours show how much students are getting help from us. So I'd like to share the hours with you. For the first period, students use 114 academic hours, of which 25 are direct support. And so that means direct support from faculty and tutoring by near-peer tutors, and 89 other academic hours. These are academic hours only. I excluded all the hours where students came in and did something non-academic. For example, if all they did was look at the list of directed learning activities without doing them, not included. For the second period, 38 hours of direct support, 196 of other academic hours, for a total of 234 hours. 114 here, 234 here, and that's just the first 60% of the term. And the fit for this video has been Coastline College Mesa Math, Engineering, Science Achievement.